Hey everybody, it is me again. I hope everybody's doing alright. I figured since I was in a good mood, I'd go ahead and do an unboxing video real quick. You may remember in a past video I mentioned that I was changed the medication that I was taking. In fact, I actually stopped taking it entirely because I just didn't want to take it anymore. And it has made me so moody. Like, I have been so cranky and irritable. And one minute I'm really happy, and the next minute I'm really sad, I want to cry, and then the next minute I'm just so pissed off. And so, anyway, it's finally getting better. I'm in a good mood now, so I thought I'd better take advantage of this state of mind. So I'll go ahead and do this quick video. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Lush products. Ever since my video making bath bombs, I've been obsessed with them. I've been on this quest to make the perfect bath bomb that floats and fizzes and bubbles, and I've made like 5 or 6 batches and they're slowly coming around. I'm trying different recipes each time I make them. So I thought I'd do a little product research by ordering a Lush bath bomb and testing that out and see how it's like, so I can try and duplicate the product, because if you never had a bath bomb, you need to try it. You're not living until you've had a bath bomb. So, all right, well, let's go ahead and open this up. And here they provide some information about recycling the packaging, how to recycle tins, boxes, jars, bags that the products come in. So that's pretty cool. I'm really big into recycling. I think it's very important to recycle. Yeah, so that's pretty neat that they do that. Paperwork. There we go. Alright, so this is the Blackberry Bath Bomb in 6.3 ounces. So, it's nice and heavy. It's very perfumey, very sweet and perfumey. It's very pretty. It says bomb here. And I like it. I can't wait to use it. So I'm going to take a bath with this actually tonight. And I'll show you the bath bomb dissolving. So cool, can't wait to use that. The next thing that I got is a Karma bubble bar. And basically what you do is you just run this under the faucet and rub it, and it makes a bubble bath. And the reason that I got this particular one is because it is scented with patchouli, and I love patchouli. You hear a lot of people say it smells like dirt and it smells like a hippie. I don't care. I love the way it smells. The bath bombs that I make are going to be made with patchouli, and I'm going to love it. So this I will demonstrate on a different video. I'm not going to do this tonight. I'm just going to do this Blackberry bath bomb here. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Okay, so here we go. fun to watch. It smells absolutely wonderful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some music on and lay in the tub and relax for a while before I go to bed. Well, I just got out of the tub and I just wanted to share a few thoughts on the Lush bath bomb and compare it to the bath bombs that I've been making. One of the things that I noticed was it was quite bigger than mine, which is not a problem. I can make these bigger also. I just need to get bigger molds. The Lush bath bomb not only fizzed, but it also bubbled. And mine fizzes, but it doesn't bubble. So I'm still working on that part of it. Another thing is the Lush bath bomb was very buoyant. It floated the entire time, where mine sinks straight down to the bottom. And so I've tweaked the recipe some. This one actually floats, but I left out the salt, the Epsom salt in this one, and that's why it floated. But I don't want to sacrifice any of the ingredients so that mine will float. And so I'm still working on that. The water turned a nice lavender color. And mine does the same thing. It turns the color of the bath bomb. So there's really no difference there. But all in all, I loved the Lush bath bomb. It was really nice to lay in there and just take in the scent and the heat and the warmth of the water. So it felt really good. So it's actually made me kind of sleepy now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fix a glass of warm milk and drink that so I can go to sleep and have a good night's sleep. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a good evening. Be good to each other, and I will talk to you later.